In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Vrbo by property number. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First things first, you'll want to navigate to the main Vrbo homepage. You can do this easily by typing vrbo.com into your web browser's search bar and hitting enter. Vrbo, short for Vacation Rentals by Owner, is a fantastic platform to find everything from charming beach houses to cozy cabins. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an array of inviting property images and options you might want to explore later. Next, you'll need to sign into your Vrbo account. To do this, locate the Sign In button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page. If you have an account, simply enter your login credentials. But if you don't have an account yet, there might be an option to create one. A worthwhile step if you plan on making reservations or managing bookings in the future. Once logged in, navigate back to the Vrbo homepage. The layout might look familiar, but now that you're signed in, you can access more personalized features. It's important to ensure you're on the main page before proceeding, as some features might be hidden if you've drifted to other site areas. Look for the search bar prominently displayed near the center of the page. The search bar is designed for general queries, but it's also the gateway to finding specific properties using a property number. This search functionality is well optimized to quickly fetch what you're looking for, making it a crucial tool for your hunt. In the search bar, enter the specific property number you wish to find. This number is unique to each listing, making it an efficient way to directly access the property you're interested in. Typing in the property number will bring up results related to that exact listing, saving you from scrolling through numerous other options that may not suit your needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily search for properties on Vrbo using just a property number. It's an efficient way to go directly to the listing you're interested in, especially useful when you've already got a particular destination in mind. Don't forget to explore other site features like user reviews and property details to ensure you're making the most informed decision for your upcoming travels. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Vrbo experience smoother and more enjoyable. Happy vacation planning!